How to work from home from the comfort of your couch and earn over $620 in reoccurring commissions using this brand new strategy. And all you got to do is head over to this website, www. What's going on, guys? My name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and on this channel I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on making money online and uploading brand new and the freshest ways of making money online. So if you want to get the latest ways of making money online, go down below and tap that notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a brand new way of making money online. And in this brand new Make Money Online video, I'm going to give you the exact formula that I used and the exact script that I used to make this kind of money online completely for free in this video. If you watch this video with me until the end, I'm going to give you access to the download link to the exact script that I used in this video. So I've got the website right here on the screen, but before I go and reveal this website to you guys, I want to show you something that is very powerful about the strategy and that is super important to understand before we go and jump into this. So I want to show you this website that I found and why it is so important to rank as a business on the #1 page of Google for a specific keyword. So the top position on Google, these are pages listed on the #1 page of Google, get 42% traffic. The second only gets 11% traffic, and the third only gets 8% traffic. So it is very clear why it is important to rank on the #1 page of Google as a business. And therefore, if your business is on the second or third page of Google, you might as well be hiding a body there. Nobody or hardly anybody visits the second or third page of Google. I don't even think anybody heads over to the third page of Google. So obviously businesses that are on the second and third page of Google are missing one or two key points and factors, and that's why they're not on the first page. And this is how we're going to make a lot of money online with the strategy. So make sure to keep listening and watching, because you can get paid a lot of money to help other people or businesses rank on the #1 page of Google. But obviously businesses that are into and investing into Google ads and that are ranking on the first and second page obviously have a lot of money. So we're not going to have a problem with any clients not being able to afford this, and this is where we're going to cash in. And this is where I'm coming in to save the day, because I'm going to provide you with a tool in this video that is going to do all of the hard work for you, so you don't need to know any fancy SEO ranking skills or Google skills like that. This tool does everything for you, and I'm going to show you how we can put this together and build a full-blown business with this. So how this works is all you need to do is present this tool to these businesses that want to rank on the #1 page of Google, and that website is going to pay you a lot of money for that. So let me show you how this is going to work. Let me come over to Google and let's type in something like domain. We're just going to type in domain, which is a hosting or domain services, and you can see over here all of these websites called ad, domains.co.za, domain.com. These are people paying. You can see more ads here. These are people and businesses paying to rank #1 on Google for the search term domain. So when people come onto Google and want to buy a domain, these people are obviously getting the most clicks, the most sales, and the most revenue in their business off of Google because they're investing into these paid ads. Let's do a more local, realistic example. So let's go Port Elizabeth, which is my hometown, Port Elizabeth Gym. You can see here, gym in Walmer, Metro Gym, Profiles Health Club. All the other gyms on Google are obviously working on their websites, paying to rank #1 on Google and to get these positions, because if people in Port Elizabeth are looking for gyms, not many people are going to come over to the second page of Google and look for those. They want to click on the gyms that are on the #1 page of Google. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you help other people rank #1 on Google using this tool that I'm going to give you. And remember, I'm also going to give you the exact formula and script that I used to see reoccurring commissions using this exact tool and presenting these tools to these businesses. So this tool has been paying me a lot of money for that. And remember, this can work for anything. There are a lot of businesses in so many different niches that you can use this for. So if I scroll down to the bottom of Google, this is a really good tip that I suggest you guys take in. So for example, let's go back to the domain example. I'm just going to search domain on Google, and if I scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see godaddy.domain, .co.za domain, free domain registration South Africa, domain registration. email domain registration. These are other keywords and other businesses in these keywords that we can go and provide this tool to. So there's literally unlimited businesses, unlimited keywords to go and do this for. By the time you run out of businesses to go and present this tool to, I'm sure multiple generations would have moved on over time, that there are so many businesses on the internet to do this with. And this is what you want to do. You want to scroll over down to the bottom of your keyword search term. So for example, let's go gym South Africa. And we're going to come down all the way to the bottom. You want to come over to page 2. You can also open up page 3, 4, and 5, and all of those that are not on page 1. So what you then want to do is, I'm just going to quickly open this up. This is page 2 over here. For example, let's do this one over here, fightclubssa.co.za, which is a gym that is running from home during lockdown at the moment, that is only ranked on page 2. And every single one of these websites, whether it's on page 4, 3, page 5, page 6, page 7, will have some kind of contact us page. So this website, Zinzele Fitness, that I took, for example, that I actually found on page 4. If I come over to contact us, every single website will have this option. You can enter your name, email address. They even have a telephone number for you to call them, and their email and their address. But what you are mostly looking for in this case is their email address, which is super important. And this is where I'm going to give you the exact formula, exact script, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to email these people. And remember, businesses ranked on the #1 page are obviously making a lot of money online, whether it's through their product, their service, whatever kind of product or service they're selling in their business. So this business that only ranked on page number 4 is missing out on a ton of revenue, a ton of clients, a ton of signups or membership signups, and this is where we are going to help them and get paid a lot of money online for this. But remember, we already know that these businesses are willing to spend money to obviously improve on their business, and this is all going to increase your chance of making money online and getting big recurring commissions with this. And the site that you want to go to is called SpyFu, and this is a fantastic website for businesses that has been created to spy on competitors and to overtake them without them even knowing. So what I really like about this tool, you can see you can increase your web traffic, track your keyword rankings, and make better connections and get more sales, signups, membership signups, whatever it is that the business is offering, by spying on competitors that are ranked on the #1 page, replicating their success, and obviously making more revenue in the business, ultimately getting you far more recurring commissions with this. So have a look here. If I hover over tools, you've got things such as SEO competitor analysis, SEO keyword research, competitor backlinks, domain comparisons, rank trackers. Now what I really like about this is that if businesses have this kind of information on other businesses ranked on the top pages of Google, it is very easy for them to replicate that success, get their website or business to #1, and obviously make the most money online. And this is the website that we are going to promote to these businesses, and that is going to pay us these recurring commissions. And how you're going to do that is, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of this website, you can see on this area over here called useful links, there is a section called affiliates. You want to open up the affiliates tab. In a new tab, you can see over here, recurring commissions with a 40% payout for life. So if you sign up one client, you're going to get 40% of their membership amount every single month for the rest of life. So for example, let's take it like this. If you sign up 5 clients in the first month, you're going to get 40% each. If you sign up another 5 clients the next month, you are actually then going to have 10 clients paying you every single month. Another 5 clients in the third month, now you're having 15 clients paying you every single month. So that is how this becomes a snowball effect and how you can build big recurring commissions online. And if I had to give my honest opinion on this website, I can't even believe myself that information like this is completely available for free, such as this. You can see every keyword that your competitors have bought on Google and every ad tested that they've run, and you can replicate their success and avoid their mistakes. And honestly, it's crazy that this kind of information and a tool like this exists, because these businesses are doing such hard work in these Google ads, testing, ranking their business number one, and here you can come along, spy on them using this tool and completely beat them by avoiding their mistakes. And if I come down some more, you can see you can search for a competitor, you can see every keyword that they're ranking on, and you can uncover the exact content and backlinks that lets them outrank you. So all you're going to do is replicate their content and backlinks so that you can actually outrank them. Again, it is crazy that a tool like this exists. And what's more phenomenal about this website, you're really going to be surprised at the price that they charge for this website, and you're also going to be surprised at the amount of commissions that they are going to pay you on top of this. All you need to do in 3 easy simple steps, you're going to sign up completely for free. There's no verification or waiting process. You're going to use simple links so you can send visitors to SpyFu through your link without chunky old affiliate links, and they will credit you as a referring site, and then you're going to earn money. And after your first link converts, sit back and enjoy the dividends, which is exactly 40% reoccurring commissions every month for life. And have a look at this. If I scroll down some more, they state they are one of the best affiliate deals in the industry, and most of me agrees with them. 40% in monthly reoccurring commissions is not something you see often, so you're going to get ongoing income for referring customers paid to you monthly for the life of the account. You've got a 365-day tracking cookie, so not every visitor converts right then. This is how you can also make a lot of money with this. The 365-day tracking cookie locks in your credit for the sale. So for example, if someone clicks on your link, your affiliate link, and goes to this website, but maybe clicks off, but if they go back onto the website within 365 days and purchase a package, you're still going to get a commission from them, and you get paid twice a month. So you get your payouts twice a month through PayPal or wire transfer direct to your bank. And here's why this affiliate program is also in your favor. True passive income. Like I mentioned, you're getting recurring commissions every single month. Customers stick around. With less than a 4% churn rate, SpyFu customers really leave, so your recurring commissions hold real value. So because this tool is such a good quality and rare tool, not many clients leave this tool. Your conversion rates, you will love. So with an average conversion rate of 2.5%, SpyFu is optimized to convert your affiliate traffic. So most affiliate programs have a conversion rate of less than 1%. This has nearly doubled. So that means 2.5% of people that click on your link convert into customers and sales, which is really, really high. So let's go over exactly what you're going to earn with this, and then I'm going to give you that script. So make sure to keep with me. So when you come over to the pricing tab, you can see they've got a basic, a professional, and a team plan. You've got the basic plan at $39 a month. You're going to get 40% of that every single month per client that you sign up. So that is about $13 or $15. Professional plan at $39 for the first month, and then $78 a month there after that. So you are going to get about $38 just on this package per month, and then the $299 per month package, you're going to get 40% of that, which is just under $140, which is huge commissions every single month. So like I showed you, you obviously are then going to start contacting these people on this contact page over here. So what you want to do is you want to send them an email. And I've got this entire done for you script and formula for you. So it goes like this. Hi, I can see you're working hard to grow your business, and I commend you. So you're giving them a compliment, you're coming across as friendly. How would you like to get almost 10 to 50 times the amount of traffic or potential clients to what you're getting through your advertising currently? So you are now presenting them a way to get much better traffic, much more clients than what they are currently. And then you can say to them, did you know that page 1 views on Google get 95% more traffic than page 2? Imagine having all of this extra traffic coming to your website, what this would do for your business. So you're giving them an imagination of how much more potential clients and clicks they can get to their business. And then you can say to them, well, today is your lucky day, as I have found a tool that can help you see what your competition is doing to rank on the number 1 page, and it costs 10 times less than what they are paying for the advertising currently. So what you're doing is you're presenting them this tool that will perform better than what their current advertising is doing, and you're telling them that it is at a cheaper price. So immediately this sounds like a good deal, and then you can say to them, use this tool to make your advertising count. Here is the website your business can't do without. Then on these 2 arrows, you're going to add your affiliate link. And over here, this website will show you your competitors' SEO keywords, backlinks, competitor analysis, and so much more valuable information that these companies can do with. Go to the website, add your affiliate link here, and I promise you will thank me. But if you guys really want the scripts, all I really ask is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe down below if you're new to the channel. With the bell on, I would obviously appreciate that too, and comment down below that you're ready to give this a shot, and I will pin the download link to this document on the pinned comments of the comments on this video. But as I mentioned guys, this is a really powerful way to make money online, so I really do recommend come over to this website, sign up on the affiliate program, and give this a go. Eventually you could also turn this into paid ads, and you can collect emails and do email marketing with this and turn this into a bigger business online. But this, for beginners and for the advanced that want to make money online, is a perfect platform to do this. But on the screen above here, over here somewhere, I will leave a link or a little square to my best playlist on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, various different strategies and platforms that will help you out and maximize your earnings online. So on the screen over here, you're welcome to go and click on this playlist. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.